Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica XS espresso machine. Let's go ahead and pour a shot. Makes a nice shot of espresso. And you can see that the scale light is flashing. The customer can just run the descaling cycle when they get it home. We just replaced the grinder on this one. And let's go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.